Hello, my name is Vern Reddy and I'm a grade 12 student at Central Peel Secondary School and I'm a lead workshop volunteer at the DIY Engineering CKSTEM workshops for this summer. This past few weeks has been amazing working with these kids where their creativity runs wild. They build assignments every week, and as the leads, we also build them to ensure that we give the most constructive feedback possible for these kids. The following video will contain short clips of a chain reaction of these structures in order to showcase the new and ingenious ways that we can do things in our lives using the power of STEM. If you like our program, we hope you meet us at ckstem.org and enjoy the video.